The world of business is rapidly changing. One of the biggest changes is the move to the cloud. Companies of all sizes are embracing cloud computing. They are choosing it for its scalability, cost effectiveness, and agility. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is a front runner in this domain. It provides a vast array of services to cater to diverse needs. As businesses migrate their operations to the cloud, security becomes paramount. AWS understands this concern. They prioritize cloud security as a shared responsibility. AWS manages the security of the underlying infrastructure. Meanwhile, customers are responsible for securing their applications and data within the AWS environment. This shared responsibility model ensures a comprehensive approach to cloud security. It allows businesses to leverage the expertise of AWS while maintaining control over their assets. Embracing a proactive security posture is essential for businesses to thrive in the cloud. AWS offers a robust suite of security services and features. These tools empower businesses to build secure and compliant cloud infrastructures. By understanding the shared responsibility model and effectively utilizing AWS's security offerings, businesses can unlock the full potential of the cloud. They can do this while safeguarding their valuable assets. The world of business is rapidly changing. One of the biggest changes is the move to the cloud. Companies of all sizes are embracing cloud computing. They are choosing it for its scalability, cost effectiveness, and agility. Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is a front runner in this domain. It provides a vast array of services to cater to diverse needs. AWS prioritizes cloud security as a shared responsibility. AWS manages infrastructure security while customers secure their applications and data. This model ensures a comprehensive approach to cloud security. AWS offers robust security services to build secure, compliant infrastructures. Encryption is a cornerstone of cloud security. It ensures data confidentiality and integrity. AWS provides robust encryption solutions for data in transit and at rest. Encryption in transit safeguards data as it travels. AWS uses HTTPS to encrypt data in transit. AWS Certificate Manager simplifies SSL and TLS management. Encryption at rest protects stored data. AWS offers server-side and client-side encryption. Server-side encryption is managed by AWS. Services include Amazon S3, EBS, and RDS encryption. Client-side encryption gives customers control. AWS KMS helps manage encryption keys. These keys encrypt and decrypt data. Encryption enhances data security. It also helps meet compliance requirements. Logs are invaluable resources for maintaining a secure cloud environment. They provide a trail of activity. This activity can be used to detect and respond to security incidents. AWS offers a comprehensive suite of logging and monitoring services. These services enable businesses to capture, analyze, and act upon security-related events. Amazon CloudTrail is a fundamental service. It logs API calls made to your AWS account. These logs provide an audit trail of actions taken by users, applications, and AWS services. Amazon VPC Flow logs capture information about network traffic within your virtual private cloud, or VPC. These logs can be used to monitor for suspicious network activity and troubleshoot connectivity issues. AWS services like Amazon S3, Amazon RDS, and AWS Lambda provide detailed logs specific to their operations. Centralizing these logs is crucial for effective security monitoring. Amazon CloudWatch Logs allows you to aggregate logs from various AWS services. You can store them in a central repository. This repository makes it easier to analyze and correlate security-related events. Compliance is a critical aspect of cloud security. AWS understands the importance of meeting industry-specific regulatory requirements. They provide a wealth of resources and tools to help businesses navigate the complex landscape of compliance. AWS Artifact is a centralized repository of AWS compliance documentation. It provides on-demand access to compliance reports, certifications, and attestations. AWS Artifact offers various reports, including Service Organization Control or SOC reports, Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard or PCI DSS attestations, ISO certifications. These reports provide independent verification of AWS's security controls and processes. In addition to AWS Artifact, AWS provides detailed compliance guides and white papers. These resources offer practical guidance and best practices for meeting specific compliance requirements. AWS also offers compliance-specific services and features. These offerings help businesses meet their regulatory obligations. The global tapestry of compliance, industry, and location. Compliance requirements vary significantly across industries and geographic locations. Businesses operating in regulated industries such as healthcare, finance, and government face stringent compliance mandates. HIPAA, the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act; in healthcare, GLBA, the Gramm-Leach-Bliley Act; in finance, and FedRAMP, the Federal Risk and Authorization Management Program, in the US government, are prime examples. Geographic location also plays a vital role in compliance. Different countries and regions have their own data protection and privacy regulations. The European Union's General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, and the California Consumer Privacy Act, known as CCPA, are notable examples. AWS recognizes these diverse compliance needs. They provide services and features to help businesses meet their obligations. For instance, AWS offers HIPAA-eligible services for handling protected health information, or PHI. They also have GDPR-compliant services for processing personal data of EU residents. A fortress of tools. Securing your AWS resources. AWS provides a comprehensive suite of security tools to help customers secure their resources. These tools offer capabilities for vulnerability scanning, security posture management, and distributed denial of service protection. Amazon Inspector is a vulnerability scanning service. It helps identify security vulnerabilities in your EC2 instances. Inspector analyzes your EC2 instances for known vulnerabilities and provides actionable recommendations for remediation. AWS Security Hub provides a centralized view of your security posture across your AWS accounts. It aggregates security alerts from various AWS services and partner solutions. Security Hub also maps these alerts against industry-standard security frameworks like CIS benchmarks and the AWS Foundational Security Best Practices. AWS Shield is a managed DDoS protection service. It safeguards your applications running on AWS against common DDoS attacks. Encryption at your fingertips. Options in AWS. AWS offers a wide range of encryption options to protect data in the cloud. Businesses can choose the most suitable option based on their specific security and compliance requirements. AWS Key Management Service is a fundamental service for managing encryption keys. It allows you to create, manage, and use encryption keys for various AWS services, and your applications. AWS Cloud HHSM provides hardware security modules. These HSMs are dedicated physical devices. They provide enhanced security for your encryption keys. AWS Certificate Manager simplifies the management of SSL, TLS certificates. These certificates are used to encrypt data in transit using HTTPS. ACM allows you to easily request, provision, and deploy certificates for your websites and applications hosted on AWS. Server-side encryption is a feature offered by various AWS services. Guardians of Governance and Compliance. Essential AWS services. AWS provides services for governance and compliance. AWS Config tracks resource configurations. AWS CloudTrail logs API calls. AWS Audit Manager simplifies audits. Amazon CloudWatch provides monitoring. These services enhance compliance. Conclusion: safeguarding your cloud journey. As businesses increasingly embrace the cloud, prioritizing security, governance, and compliance is paramount. AWS provides a robust set of tools and services to empower businesses on this journey. Understanding the shared responsibility model is crucial. Businesses must take ownership of securing their applications and data within the AWS environment. By leveraging AWS's encryption options, comprehensive logging and monitoring services, and compliance-specific offerings, businesses can enhance their security posture and meet regulatory requirements. Continuous monitoring, proactive security measures, and a commitment to best practices are essential for safeguarding your cloud journey and unlocking the full potential of AWS. Remember that security is not a destination, but a continuous journey. By embracing a proactive and comprehensive approach to cloud security, governance, and compliance, businesses can confidently navigate the cloud landscape.